Hello, my name is Theresia Elisabeth, and let me tell you about my daily activities. Every day, I always wake up at 5 a.m. with my alarm. I wake up, praying, and reading devotional for a while. After that, I make my bed and take a shower. After showering, I brush my face to go to campus and prepare my breakfast. Usually, every morning I have oat milk and granola for my breakfast with milk. After breakfast and being ready, I leave for campus with my father. My father always takes me to campus every day using a motorcycle to avoid traffic jams. And while heading to campus, I usually spend an hour. When I arrive at the campus, I go straight to the faculty and wait for my 8 a.m. class. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I always have one course. And for Thursday and Wednesday, I have 3 courses. When the class ends, I go home using the public busway. And by using public transportation, I spend 2 hours traveling. When I get home, I usually change my clothes immediately. And if I'm tired, I rest and continue my activities at 6 p.m., usually sweeping, cleaning my study table, or making my bed if I didn't have time in the morning. After that, at 7 p.m., I take a shower and look at my assignment if there are any until 9 p.m. And at 10 p.m., I do my daily skincare routine and go to bed to sleep. My activities on Saturdays, I always exercise with my dad. And if my sister invites me to go out with her, we spending day until 9. And every Sunday I worship and hanging out with my friends until 9 p.m. So that's all my activity every day. Thank you.